Let's go through the ingredients of this recipe. So here I have butter beans, 400 grams. Then I have Greek yogurt, some tomatoes and basil, some sea salt, Italian herbs, and black pepper. Take a can of butter beans. And wash it thoroughly in running water to remove any excess salt. Now let's add 500 grams of Greek yogurt. Important to wash the vegetables as well. Chop and add 10 to 12 basil leaves. Chop and add 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Then add sea salt to taste. Add 2 teaspoons of Italian herbs. Mix everything well. Let's talk about the nutritional benefits of butter beans. They are high in protein, rich in antioxidants, satiates for longer, promotes weight loss, and are a good source of energy. 100 grams of butter beans contain 105 kilocalories, 6.9 grams of protein, and 5.9 grams of fiber. Bon appetit! Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.